Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are giving you an update on the construction of the Rodgers. This is the 20 floor building in New Kingston. This building is the tallest building in Jamaica. It took the title from the Pegasus sometime late last year. The Pegasus was 17 floors. Very nice building. It's coming along nicely. It should be finished sometime next year. It's actually located off Waterloo Road on Waterloo Avenue. And it's a residential building. And you can see the building beside it, that's Genesis 28, also a residential building. And that one I think is 7 or 8 floors. Nothing in Kingston can compare to this building, the Rodgers. Anywhere in New Kingston you are, Crossroads, Hope Road, you can see this building. Very nicely done. Now inside is going to be luxury apartments. As we said, it's residential. You're going to have 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom, and penthouses on the top. Now the Jamaican economy is doing very well. You have to say, if you look at the amount of construction going on in Jamaica, they've built a commercial building on Belmont Road, 1 Belmont, massive building. It's 9 floors, but it has like some double ceiling, so it's really high. Totally booked out. It's finished and persons are moving in, fixing up the office space how they want it. Totally booked out. So many times people look at these videos and see all these buildings and ask, who is buying all of these apartments? These things are not cheap. You can't use NHT to buy one of these, just to give you an example. On the North Coast, Draxall, if you put up 1,000 units, they're sold off within weeks. That in Miami Bay, where Czech is building the new apartments, or they're going to do a residential complex, they're going to be sold out within days, weeks. A lot of foreigners are investing in Jamaica, and I'm not even sure if you call them foreigners because there are Jamaicans in the diaspora. A lot of them invest in Draxall. Draxall is the fastest growing community in Jamaica. As you put a development there, it's sold out. Richmond Estate, all sold out. If they build another phase there tomorrow, by next week it's sold out. That's just Jamaica. Everybody wants to invest in Jamaica. The Airbnb market in Jamaica is doing very well. So as they build them, people will rent them. And this is one of many residential apartment buildings being built. They are now going up with them because the law changed and you can now put more habitable rooms per acre. So that's why you see the buildings getting taller. And I must say, I'm very impressed and a bit surprised that such a massive building can be built on such a small piece of land. If you look at the Pegasus, it's well laid out. The parking lot is massive. This one doesn't have that much parking. Well, it has underground parking, but this is just a new way of doing it. And so, believe it or not, this will not be the tallest building in Jamaica for much longer. The Ascent, if it's ever built, will be 27 floors, and the Pinnacle in Montego Bay is four towers, 4 buildings at 28 floors each. That will be the tallest building in Jamaica. And then in New Kingston, they are putting together a project to build a 32 floor building. Now, somebody had mentioned that the Pinnacle at 28 floors will be the tallest building in the Caribbean. So if anybody has any information on that, leave a comment in the section below. It's just a matter of time before Jamaica has the tallest building in the Caribbean. As of today, it's the Anaconda Tower. So we will check it out. But if anybody knows, you can leave a comment in the section below. But for now, they just broke ground on the pinnacle, so that has at least a couple years to go. This building, the Rodgers, has reached 20 floors and it is officially the tallest building in Jamaica. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. We'll give you another update in 2 weeks so that you can see how the building is progressing. Alright guys, have a good day.